Chapter 39. Indrajit returns. Ravana was devastated by the loss of his brother. For the first time in many years, doubt clouded his mind. He questioned his own role in the war. Rama, the Apsara I once wronged, she has taken incarnation as Sita, so that in this life she may have her vengeance upon me. Ravana's sons, Atikaya, Narantak, Devantak, and Rishira took to the battlefield in an attempt to turn the tide of war. The sons of Ravana were great warriors, but they were no match for the Vanara army commanded by Lord Ram. One by one they fell. The 4 sons of the Demon King were slain within the day. Ravana sank even deeper into grief and depression. But then a voice called out to him from the shadows, "Father, do not despair." Indrajit had finally recovered from the strain of his first encounter with the Ayodhya princes. Indrajit, the son who had once conquered the king of the gods himself, Lord Indra, the only warrior who had defeated Lord Ram and Prince Lakshmana on the battlefield. Ravana's eyes gleamed with renewed hope. "My son, the princes still live. They have slain your brothers and your uncle Kumbhakarna. Only you can save our kingdom now." Indrajit donned his armor and went out into the battlefield with a contingent of Lanka's most elite warriors. He arranged his weapons on the ground and spoke ancient mantras and performed meticulous rituals. Smoke from his offerings curled into the air as he invoked blessings from dark powers and celestial forces alike. When the last mantra was uttered, Indrajit vanished from sight, concealed in a cloak of illusion, his presence swallowed by the darkness. The Vanara army suddenly found themselves under a merciless attack. Arrows rained down from the sky, cutting the valiant army down by the hundreds. Panic rippled through the army as they realized, just as their previous encounter with him, they could not see their attacker. Indrajit was everywhere and nowhere, a phantom of death who struck and vanished in the blink of an eye. Ram and Lakshmana tried desperately to defend the army and fight back, launching divine arrows against an unseen enemy. But even the valiant princes were overwhelmed by the invisible assassin's relentless assault and succumbed to their many wounds. With the Vanara army shattered and its champions fallen, Indrajit, drained, once more withdrew, his mission complete for now. He returned to the royal palace, a shadow vanishing into the darkness. Of all the senior Vanara commanders, only Hanuman and Vibhishan remained standing. Through the haze of smoke and the cries of the dying, Jambavan, the great bear king, weakly called out, "Hanuman, only you can save us now." Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.